Salametsis dermi kormeta Kazakhstan duktar. Добрый день, дорогие казахстанцы. Козды ашып жымғанша минен алматыдағы үш жылым үті шығыпты. As we do in the U.S. Diplomatic Corps, it's time to move on to my next assignment. When I moved here with my family nearly 3 years ago to serve as U.S. Consul General, it was a career highlight. I first came to Almaty as a tourist many years ago. My family and I now depart with heavy hearts as Kazakhstan has become our home. Since arriving, I've seen so much, met many interesting and inspiring people, and enjoyed the wonderful Kazakh hospitality and cuisine. And I've thoroughly enjoyed working with my Kazakhstani colleagues at the U.S. Consulate who've helped share their country with me. I am proud of the important conversations that have started and the accomplishments achieved by the U.S. Consulate General in Almaty, especially during these most challenging times. I listened to local community and industry leaders to understand how the U.S. mission could support the professional development of the media, the creative community, and entrepreneurs. During meetings with business leaders and at events such as the Central Asia Trade Forum, I worked to further advance American investment, improve Kazakhstan's investment climate, and enhance regional trade and cooperation in Central Asia and beyond. And I always enjoyed my meetings with friends at the American Chamber of Commerce. Government leaders and I discussed our many shared goals such as border security, counter-narcotics cooperation, anti-corruption reforms in Kazakhstan, and economic diversification such as enhancing the tourism industry. I listened to the heroes on the front lines fighting to end trafficking in persons and gender-based violence. I was honored to meet some of the many Kazakhstani healthcare professionals working in partnership with the CDC and USAID to tackle COVID-19. And during my time here, we have sought to provide opportunities for ethnic Kazakhs and Uyghurs formerly detained in internment camps in Xinjiang to have their stories heard here in Kazakhstan, in Washington, D.C., and around the world. I have enjoyed meeting and bringing together some of Almaty's religious leaders and visiting some of Kazakhstan's beautiful holy sites. I always enjoyed my time with the American Corners community, leading English language discussion clubs and celebrating Space Week with a real NASA astronaut, and the new private-public partnership with Chevron to expand access to STEAM activities across Kazakhstan. I've seen so much creativity during my time here through our many cultural and arts programs. Our Go Viral Festival and Network is celebrating its 5th anniversary, bringing together creative and motivated talent from across Central Asia. And as a native Californian home to Hollywood, one of my favorite times of the year is when the 48-hour film race rolls around. Some of the more memorable experiences have been simply getting out and discovering beautiful Kazakhstan, the museums, cultural sites, and amazing natural beauty. Thank you for your warm hospitality and for making my time here in Kazakhstan so memorable. It has been an honor to serve here. Келесі кездескенше. До новых встреч.